Welcome to week 8, day 3. And in just a minute, we're going to be reading a story. But first, I wanted to remind you of our new Faceted Snap sight words. The first one is come, C-O-M-E. And the second one is does, D-O-E-S, does. You're going to see these in our story, and this is a story that we would usually read together in class, and some of the words we can sound out. Some are going to be that long vowel pattern that we will know how to say those long vowels, and some are our Faceted Snap words, our new ones and some old ones. So this is really good reading practice for us. So read along with me if you can. We come on time. There's an exclamation point. We come on time. Yes, we do. And here's a school bus and some cars, and a lot of kids and a flag. This looks to me like it's a school. So they are coming on time to school. Let's read the words. We sit in a line. It can take gas and time. We do not need to be late. Double E pattern. There's those smiley E's saying E. There's A and a consonant and silent E making long A. So need to be late. Oh, there's E. Just one E in B. And we just learned that that could say long E. Just learned that. Jan and Pete can take a bus. Kim does not have to ride. Kim does not see Pete. So that must be Kim, and she cannot see Pete because he's not sitting by the window. So that's what my prediction is. Let's see how these kids get to school. Tom can ride a red bike. He can go up, up, up. But it is a quick ride to get back home. That kind of confusing me when I'm reading that. So I'm going to look, they're going up hill. So it's a lot hard to pedal. Might be a lot of work to go up. But when they go home later today, they'll be going the other direction down the hill. That's why it will be a quick ride home. I get it. I understand now. Sometimes you have to stop, check the pictures, and check the words to really understand what's happening in the story. Dad has a job at a dock. He can take Tim in a van. Tim will not come late. There's our new word, come. If it is wet, a van can help. Dad can fit 5 in the van. Dad can help a kid who does not have a ride. There's our word does. Let's see how that's used in the sentence. Dad can help a kid who does not have a ride. I bet we hear that word a lot more than we even know. But today we're noticing because it's our new word. If it is not wet, do not ride. Lee and Kim can run, run, run. This must be Lee and Kim. Pat can zip, zip quick too. So Pat goes up the ramp because she's in a wheelchair, but she is very fast in her wheelchair, so she goes zip, zip quick. We come in at the same time. We get in and sit on time. Pat can get in line quick. And there's Pat again in her wheelchair, and she gets in line very quick. So they all made it to school on time. We had a lot of different words that we have learned. The long vowel words that we now know how to read, some short vowel words, and our new fast as a snap words to practice. So you could go back in the video and read this again with me, and that would be excellent practice. Our reading page today is very easy and is going to be super quick for you. It's practicing the fast as a snap word R. And you saw this page once before. This is just about a new word. You're going to write this word R in each sentence. Then read the sentences. Read all the sentences. Then you get to color 1 star. Read all the sentences again, all 5. Color the 2nd star. And if you read them 3 times, all of them, you get to color the 3rd star. So if we put R in the sentence, let's see what these sentences will sound like. Number 1, you are tall. Number 2, where are you? Number 3, are you going? Number 4, they are my friends. Number 5, how are you? Okay, so read those sentences 3 times each. This is a read and write, and I love this sentence because this is how I've been feeling a lot lately. We are happy. All right, so complete that page, and I'm going to move us on to our math. That was all there was for reading this week. It's good to practice that story and reading the words in that story. Okay, you can see that this would be your homework page. It's a review of everything we've done with plus and equals. And since you've done these pages before, I'm just going to remind you that you write how many are in the first group, how many are in the second group, and then put the groups together, then write the sum or how many in all, and finally read the sentence. And I'm going to read this one that's already here. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So you will do these and then you will read the sentences yourself. The back page is very easy also, but I thought this one might be a little confusing. So it's a vocabulary check for the equals sign or equal symbol. And when you look at this equation, this math sentence, you are to circle the equal sign. That's what you do with this. Find which one is the equal sign and circle it. Easy peasy, once you know what to do. For this page, it is just practice with addition and addition sentences, the same as you've been doing before, and making sure that you read those math sentences, especially when you get to the symbols. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals, and then you'll write the answer to that or the sum right there. This is all practice, and the groups are pretty clear who is in each group. The dogs is a little bit confusing, but these dogs are in the first group and these dogs are in the second group. I'm sure you can do that all by yourself. I'm going to move on to the last math page and the last page for this week, which is an addition story where we're going to show our work. And we've done a page similar to this. It was alike in some ways, but a little bit different. So let's hear the story. It's about ice cream. Rob went to the ice cream shop. He got 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream and 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream. I think we're going to need to know how many scoops of ice cream he got in each flavor. How many scoops of ice cream did he get in all? Now, when we're drawing our picture for this one, since he got 2 scoops of vanilla and 2 scoops of chocolate, I think it would be great to draw him a big sundae dish. And I'm just going to draw a really long one. That's real quick. And there is his sundae dish, okay? And I could make it striped or whatever I want. You don't have to spend that much time on the dish. There's his ice cream dish. And I'm going to draw the ice cream scoops that he got. He got 2 vanilla. And since white won't show up very well on this paper, I'm going to make my scoops. I'm going to outline them in black, and we're just going to pretend that they're vanilla, or you could even color them yellow if you want to. So there is our 2 scoops of vanilla. And he got 2 scoops of chocolate. All right, well, we need to do 2 scoops of chocolate. Oh, this looks like a full dish of ice cream. How many scoops of ice cream did he get in all? Well, we need to join these 2 groups and find out. We have 2 vanilla and 2 chocolate. So we have 3 ways to show our work. First, we have the number line, we have the 10 frame, and we have an equation. The sum is the answer. So we are going to, first of all, we're going to start at 0, and we're going to make 1 hop on the number line for each of our vanilla scoops. So 1, 2. Then we're going to make 1 hop for each of our chocolate scoops. 1, 2. Look where we ended up. We ended up on 4. So that could mean we're proving that 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's do our 10 frame. 2 vanilla, I'm doing 2 black X's, and 2 chocolate, 1, 2. And if I count these X's, 1, 2, 3, 4, I get the number 4 again. Finally, we are going to write an equation. An equation, remember, has the plus and the equals, and the first group goes here. That's 1, 2, 2 scoops of vanilla, 1, 2, 2 scoops of chocolate, 2 plus 2 equals, 2 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. It equals 4. 4 is the sum of the equation. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, but this is a practice to showing your work, drawing a picture, using a 10 frame, using a number line, and also writing an equation. And it's really important to know how to show your work in math. Well, that is all for today. Enjoy doing the ice cream page, and I will see you next time.